Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can step through your calculations in Excel so that you can be able to evaluate your formula effectively. So looking at this sheet that I have here, I have regions and the sales rep, the product, the units they sold, unit price, revenues, and commission. I want to be able to step through the formula that led to this commission so as to understand what went into it. So to do this, I'll need to click on any of the cells that I want to evaluate. So I want to evaluate this G2 cell. And from this, I will come to my formulas tab. I'll click on it. Then under my formula auditing, I'll click on this evaluate formulas. So you can see here from my evaluate dialog box, I have the company sales data sheet as the Excel worksheet here. I can evaluate directly and I can step into this F2. So I can see that F2 is the first thing that was used and it multiplied J1. And this is J1. That's the percentage commission. So for now, I want to see how this F2 came about. Okay. So what I will do is click on this step in. So when I step in, you can see that D2 was what led to F2. That's D2 and E2 led to F2. I can just evaluate this D2 to see what is here, or I can step into it again to see what led to this, if it's a constant or another formula. So if I step into it, you see that it's a constant. Okay, so it tells me under here that the cell is currently being evaluated, okay, and contains a constant. So I can step out. Then this one, I want to also see if the E2 was being produced by a constant or a formula. So I will just step into it again, and you can see it's a constant. We can step out of this, then evaluate our F2. Then we step out of this very box. Now, this is our J1. We can step into this J1 again and see if what led to this J1 is a constant or a formula. So if I click step in, you see it's a constant, which is this 10%. I can step out, then evaluate and have my final result. And it shows me all the steps that were followed in order to reach this final commission of $2,000. So I can either restart or I close once I'm done evaluating my formula. And this is just what I want to show you in this video. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.